A couple of years back, Reliance Jio has started selling its JioFi 4G wireless hotspot device through Reliance digital stores in several cities across India. Recently, the company has launched the 6th generation JioFi, codenamed as JioFi JMR815 or JioFi 6 at a price of Rs 999 exclusively on Flipkart. Today, in this video, we have the very same device for unboxing and we will be testing it out with the Xiaomi Redmi 5 as well. This is Vignesh from Phone Arena and now let's dive into it. As you can see, we have a compact square box here that has a JioFi 6 inside it. On top, we have the Jio branding. On one of the sides, we have the MRP rate of Rs 2499, its gross weight, a SAR value of 0.755 watts per kg and a Wi-Fi SSID and its password too. Removing the top lid, we are greeted with the JioFi 6th generation device. To take it out, we need to press the space below it. Keeping it aside, we have the paper documents that includes warranty and guide. We also got a wall adapter, micro USB cable and a 3000 mAh battery as well. For your information, this JioFi has the biggest 3000 mAh battery compared to its previous JioFi models. So these are the inbox contents of the JioFi 6 device. Talking about the form factor, this has a circular build unlike its previous model. The front portion has no buttons or indicators like its predecessor and only bears the company's name. There is a small glossy belt around the device where the physical buttons including power button, WPS are housed. On the opposite side, we have the micro USB port for charging as well. There is also a notification light for battery life indication, 4G and Wi-Fi signal strength. This device measures 20 mm in thickness and weighs just 95 grams. This device lets the users connect up to 31 Wi-Fi enabled device and a device through USB cable. It also has a micro SD card slot that accepts card up to 64 gigs. You can make voice and video call even on 2G and 3G phones by installing the Jio 4G app and connecting it to the hotspot over Wi-Fi. It has an Altair ALT3800 processor, 256 MB ROM, 125 MB RAM and supports Band 3, Band 5 and Band 40 for Jio. The device also packs a 3000 mAh battery that is rated to have a charging time of 3.5 hours. We tried connecting Redmi 5 with this device and it worked pretty well. Here's the demo. So this is it guys for the unboxing. Do hit the like button, share and subscribe.